Hello folks, in this video what I want to do is I've been doing a bit of carving over the weekend, knocking around in the in my man shed, my man, whatever you want to call it. It's not a log store, it's just my shed. Anyway, basically what I've done is I've noticed quite recently on, I think on some of the social media like Instagram and such like, people are making or showing these canoe spoons, and I'm not really sure why they're called canoe spoons. I don't know if it's because whether they're shaped like a canoe or whether it's something that people like to take out while they're canoeing or all the rest of it. But basically what I've gone and done is made two kind of my variant of canoe spoons. I mean, some of the ones that I've had a look at online are absolutely beautiful, but I mean, this is the first one I made. They're both made out of sycamore, and as you can see, they're slightly different to your sort of conventional sort of spoon shape, as it were. I mean, what I actually like about them is the fact that you know, it's quite a thin sort of thing, quite solid, and obviously it'll slip nicely into a pocket. Or I mean, I've got no idea why they call them canoe spoons. I did actually Google it. I didn't Google it for very long, so I didn't get to find out the sort of the historical significance of why they're called canoe spoons. But you know, if you want to use your Google food skills, go over there and have a look. But basically, this is the two that I've made. I'm staining them with tea bags at the moment, so when I have a cup of tea, I'll actually take the tea bag and then just dab it on there just to darken the colour of the wood. And then this one I've obviously just used my little burner and you know, sort of just put some little burr marks in it, just to, you know, just to make it look a bit fancy and arty, if you like. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same with this one as well, okay, when it's stained up a bit more. And so this one is obviously slightly thicker than that one, but of course they're narrower. The only tools I needed was obviously my axe, just to split the wood down, and then I used my little FlexiCut carving knife, the TN12, which is this one here. I'll show you, which was that one. That's all I used. And then finally I had my spoon knife, my Ben Alford one. Alright, so there's a couple of canoe spoons. Alright, so there it is. So thanks for watching, folks. Please leave your comments and suggestions and all that, and all your feedback. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell as well, just so that you'll be the first to know when when my new videos are coming out. Alright, so take care folks, see you later. Descattys signing out, and I'll see you on the flip side.